In this video, we will be discussing creating solids using the union command. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file creating solids using union.dwg located in the working files folder as discussed in the working with this dataset video. You use the union command to combine two or more solid objects into a single composite model. During the operation of the command, you select all the solids you want to join into a single composite solid, and upon completion of the command, all the selected solid objects are consumed into a new composite model. We have a couple of examples of this here. Let's first combine this cylinder object with this other cylinder object to create one object. The Boolean operation union is located in the Home tab, Solid Editing panel, and then we have the union command right here. At the Select Objects prompt, go ahead and select the order in which you want to union these objects. Don't forget the first one will win regarding the property and the layer that will be applied to the entire solid model. As you can see here, if we move this around, you can see we have one composite solid. Let's combine these two objects together and let's see what happens between the two different objects. As you can see, they have different properties. Let's zoom in here. Let's go ahead and start the move command, and let's simply move this from this location here to that location there. And now let's go ahead and start the union command. Now, let's go ahead and select the blue object first, and then the yellow object, and press enter. Now, although we selected the blue object first, you would think that the whole thing should turn blue. So what just happened? Well, what happened was this object here was set to a specific layer. However, it had a hard-coded color of yellow. So now that object retains itself with that hard-coded setting. If the object was set to bilayer, then it would take on the bilayer properties of this object here. Now, you might think you could simply select the object, navigate to the Properties palette, and change the color to bilayer. However, that is not going to work. So what can we do? Well, we haven't learned about this yet, but to select a subcomponent of a composite solid model, simply hold the Control key down and select the object. Then you can navigate to the Properties palette and change the object to what you want it to be, in this case bilayer, and now you have it done. As you can see, unioning objects is fairly straightforward. Just don't forget the order in which you union your 3D solids.